In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view submissions in Jotform. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your responses and how to work with them confidently, all inside Jotform's built-in spreadsheet view. Start by heading to the My Forms page in your Jotform account. This is your dashboard of all the forms you've created. Find the form you're interested in and click it once to select it. With the form highlighted, look toward the top and click Submissions. That takes you straight into Jotform Tables, which is where all of your collected data lives. You'll see a clean, spreadsheet-style layout. Think of it like a simple database built for forms. Each row represents a single submission, so every line is one person's complete set of answers. Each column represents a field from your form, such as name, email, or any custom question you added. This structure makes it easy to scan across a row to see everything that respondents sent, or look down a column to compare how different people answered the same question. From here, you can do a few useful things to make sense of your data. If you want to reorder what you're seeing, you can sort, which helps you bring similar entries together, like sorting by date or by a specific answer. If you need to narrow your view, you can filter, which hides unrelated rows so you can focus on just the submissions that match your criteria. Remember, sorting and filtering only change what you see on screen. They don't delete or modify your data. You can also download your entries when you need a copy outside of Jotform, whether you're sharing results with a teammate or keeping a snapshot for your records. And if you spot a typo or an update you need to make, you can edit an entry directly in the table. When you do, you're updating the actual submission record, so make edits carefully and double-check your changes. A couple of quick tips as you work. If you manage many forms, glance at the form name at the top to confirm you're viewing the right table. If you have a lot of fields, remember you can scroll horizontally to see every column, and adjust column widths to make long answers easier to read. Finally, get comfortable using sorting and filtering together. It's a powerful way to answer questions quickly, like finding the newest submissions that meet a specific condition. That's it. You now know how to view, understand, and manage your submissions in Jotform tables with confidence.